Officially on the A1 Bruce Highway, heading south. All downhill from here, boys and girls. Woohoo! The road trains here is not as big as the territory. Slowest train ever. It's about 3 degrees early in the morning, heading south on the Bruce Highway. Probably the only road that I don't feel safe on in all my travels around Australia. I don't know what it is. Anyway, heading south on the Bruce. Bruce on the Bruce. Right, welcome to Gingin. We found where all the hills are in Queensland. They're on the Bruce Highway before Gingin. Anyway, long day. Find somewhere to camp. Right, going south on the Bruce. Bruce on the Bruce. Childers 27 kilometres. Brisbane 340. Rain for the next 4 days. You know, I'm soaked. Going through the citrus area between Gingin and Childers. Quite nice. To the Fraser Coast on the Bruce Highway. Bruce on the Bruce. Bloody army tanks. Well, the road provides again. Just found this tarp in the gutter. Perfect. I've already got the same one, but I'm gonna use it. Still on the Bruce, heading south. I just realised Brisbane is only maybe 280 k's, if that, maybe less. So really I'm only like 2.5 days away from Brisbane if I was going to go straight down the Bruce. Maryborough is only 32 k's from this spot here. Alright, but I think I'm going to go to Hervey Bay and Tin Can. Alright, I'll continue. Do I turn here to go to that was close. Alright, got to go to Hervey Bay. Righto, so I've just come off the Bruce Highway. I'm going to take the tourist drive into Hervey Bay. It's only 34 kilometres. I've been doing like a average speed of about 18-20 kilometres an hour on the Bruce, but I'm glad to be off the Bruce. The Bruce doesn't like the Bruce, it's too dangerous. Alright, just in Howard now. Alright, Hervey Bay, 4 hours. Oh, 2.5 hours, what am I saying? Oh, it's actually a pivotal moment. I've been following the east coast a couple of days now. This is the first time I've actually seen the coast. I'm in Hervey Bay along the Esplanade. Right. G'day, how you going? Gotta find some place to sleep. Oh, it's wet and cold. There. Beautiful, look at that. Oh, I'll talk to you later. That's how I feel right now. What was that? Interesting. Anyway. I'm in Maryborough on the way to Tin Can. I better put the phone down before I get a ticket. $19. Anyway, feeling good. Started late today. It's 108 kilometres to Tin Can, but I started at midday. So I'm just gonna, I'll arrive tomorrow around lunchtime, I think. Anyway, I'm heading south still, so it's good. Probably 25 more k's. However, I think probably 10 more k's on this road, and then I get back onto a main road. Something different. Oh, good day. It's a well-travelled road, I reckon. Good place to camp. Oh, barbed wire, god damn it. No barbed wire this side. Could be an option for tonight. I still need a place to camp. Right, I'll let you go. Go grab a cup of tea.